The events have filled up fast. Eyewitness News reporter Brianna Strunk has more on the festivities in the Poconos.
In just a few hours, this space is transformed into a dance and pool party for over 600 people. Mount Airy Casino Resort changes the theme every year. This time, they're calling it Neon New Year.
All the lighting will transform into different colors, neon colors. All the customers are asked to come in neon. It's just fun. It's whimsical. It's energetic. It's every adjective to describe energy, and that's what we wanted to bring to this event this evening.
This is a very busy holiday for the casino. Rooms are completely booked here at Mount Airy Casino for New Year's Eve, but there's lots of other fun things going on. For those looking for a night filled with laughter, comedian Gilbert Godfrey will be performing. Restaurants are also being filled up with reservations.
It's so close, so I don't have to travel for the holiday. They treat the people who come here very, very well.
Susan Van Leeuwen and her husband were coming to the casino whether it was a holiday or not, but they say all the events are a bonus.
Something fun to do, something different.
And of course, people hope to start 2015 with some extra cash in their pocket.
Have some fun, get away, make some money.
In Paradise Township, Monroe County, Brianna Strunk, Eyewitness News.